Hey everyone, quick update for February 9th, Wednesday. SPX, new all-time high, 61.47. NDX, new all-time high, 22,222. A lot of twos. It was a, not a huge range day, although if we look at SPX on a 5-minute chart, it was definitely, higher highs, higher lows most of the day. It actually did close and push above the expected move to the upside, which I had marked from the open at about 61.41. NDX also hit its upper expected move before rolling over a little bit later in the day, but new all-time highs. So all is good and in the world, no worries, right? So today, as far as my trades go, I had a price action iron Condor that was a loss, and I had a 1 DTE iron Condor that was a small loser. Other than that, everything else was a winner. A couple of Wooga winners. Mahomes was a winner. Day trading was a winner. Had some winning calendar spreads. Let's see, what else did I have? My British iron Condors were winners. And I think that is about it. So the other thing I have for tomorrow, so Carvana announced earnings after the bell. You can see it's currently down 12.5%. I put on a bearish broken wing butterfly. So I positioned it, so price closed right around here, right around 282, 283. It's now down to 248. So I positioned this so that the peak of my fly would be right around the expected move to the downside. So going into earnings, the expected move was about plus or minus 37. And you can see it's positioned right exactly where I wanted it to. So if we don't move much, that'll be a nice winner. By the way, these earnings trades are not really a core part of my trading, but just something on some of these liquid, actively traded stocks. If I have an opinion, I'll do an earnings trade like this, and so that's what this is. No risk to the downside, so if it keeps moving lower, actually there's $2 of risk on this in this case. But if it's within the butterfly, should be able to book some profits tomorrow, and that's on the February 21 expiration. Alibaba also reports tomorrow pre-market. So we'll see what happens on that one. That thing has been on just an absolute tear to the upside. It was down in mid-January. It was down at $80. Now it's at $125. Ticked up above $129 yesterday. So big run in Baba. So we'll see what happens on the earnings. I did not play that one. The only one I played was Carvana. Not a whole lot of news the rest of this week. We did have FOMC minutes where the market kind of paused today after those were released and then ended up moving higher. We do have Trump speaking at 4 p.m. Central, so that would be an hour after the market closes, so about 20 minutes from now. Unemployment claims pre-market tomorrow. Got a couple Fed speakers, and then flash services and manufacturing PMI pre-market tomorrow, along with consumer sentiment. So that is it for today. Hope everybody has a good night. Talk to you soon.